In this video, we will go through an overview of layout controls. We can use the layout controls located on the layout and classic layout palettes to group controls and indicators or to display the front panel of another VI on the front panel of the current VI. For example, we have splitter bars here, which can be used to divide the front panel into different sections. Then we have the tab controls, which we can use to group different controls on different tabs. And we have these sub panels so that we can insert different VIs front panel on inside the sub panel of a third VI. These are actually front panels of separate VIs which we are inserting and removing in the sub panel. Then we have the in Windows, we can also use container controls to display .NET and ActiveX objects in the front panel window. For example, we can use window-based controls, .NET-based controls inside this .NET controller, which these controls may not be available in LabVIEW. For example, progress bar is not directly available. Mind you, this is not a LabVIEW's progress bar, but the window-based, .NET-based progress bar. And then we have the ActiveX controller containers, in which we can place ActiveX objects, controls and documents. For example, we can create a spreadsheet here. And we can edit this object in Microsoft Excel itself.